Self-doubt is universal. Everyone experiences it. It does not matter who you are or where you come from. Doubts creep in. They whisper in our ears. They shake our confidence. They can make us feel small, insignificant, and unworthy. This is a struggle we all face. I have felt it too. Even standing on a stage, facing thousands, doubts have tried to invade my mind. They have tried to bring me down, but I learned to rise above them. And you can too. We are stronger than the doubts that try to hold us back. Louise Hay, a pioneer in self-love, offers a roadmap. She teaches us how to turn these whispers of doubt into affirmations of strength. She shows us how to harness the power within us. So let's explore her wisdom together. Louise Hay's teachings are timeless. Her core message is simple yet profound. Love yourself, accept yourself, believe in your own worth. She emphasized that our thoughts shape our reality. What we believe about ourselves becomes our truth. Hay taught that self-affirmation is a powerful tool. Affirmations are positive statements. They help us rewire our thinking. By repeating them, we can change our beliefs. We can shift our perceptions. We can transform our lives. She also stressed the importance of self-care, taking care of our bodies, minds, and spirits. This is not selfish. It is necessary. It is the foundation of a fulfilling life. When we are well, we can give more to the world. Hay's teachings inspire us to reject negativity, to replace it with love and positivity, to believe that we are deserving of all the good that life has to offer. This is her gift to us. Negativity is pervasive. It can come from anywhere, from others, from ourselves. It is a heavy weight to carry, but we have the power to transform it. Louise Hay showed us how. First, we must recognize it. We must be aware of the negative thoughts and feelings. Then we must challenge them. Are they true? Are they helpful? Often they are neither. We can choose to let them go. Next, we replace them. We fill the space with love and positivity. We use affirmations. We say them out loud. We write them down. We believe in them. I am worthy. I am loved. I am enough. These simple statements can change everything. Finally, we practice gratitude. We focus on the good in our lives, even the small things. Gratitude opens our hearts. It shifts our focus. It helps us see the beauty around us. This transformation is powerful. It is life-changing. Section 4. The practice of self-affirmation. Self-affirmation is a daily practice. It requires commitment. It requires belief. But it is worth it. It can change our lives. Louise Hay taught this, she lived it, and she inspired millions to do the same. Start your day with affirmations. Look in the mirror. Speak to yourself with kindness. I love you. You are amazing. Today will be a great day. This sets a positive tone for the day. Carry affirmations with you. Write them on sticky notes. Place them where you will see them, on your mirror, on your desk, in your car. These reminders keep you focused on positivity. End your day with affirmations. Reflect on your day. Acknowledge your achievements. I did my best. I'm proud of myself. Tomorrow is a new opportunity. This helps you rest with a peaceful mind. Affirmations are powerful. They reshape our thoughts. They build our confidence. They empower us. Practice them every day. Watch your life transform. Section 5. Ignoring external negativity. The world is full of negativity. It can come from people around us, from the media, from social networks. It can be overwhelming, but we do not have to absorb it. We can choose to ignore it. First, set boundaries. Protect your space. Limit your exposure to negative influences. Unfollow toxic accounts. Distance yourself from negative people. This is not selfish. It is self-care. Second, focus on your response. We cannot control what others say or do, but we can control how we react. Choose not to engage. Choose not to internalize. Let go of what does not serve you. Third, surround yourself with positivity. Seek out positive influences, people who uplift you, content that inspires you, environments that nurture you. Fill your life with goodness. Ignoring negativity is a skill. It takes practice, but it is vital for your well-being. Protect your peace. Focus on the positive. You deserve it. Section 6. Focusing on self-care. Self-care is essential. It is not a luxury. It is a necessity. Louise Hay emphasized this. Taking care of ourselves is the foundation of a good life. It allows us to be our best selves. Start with your body. Nourish it with healthy food. Move it with exercise. Rest it with sleep. Your body is your home. Treat it with love and respect. Next, care for your mind. Feed it with positive thoughts. Engage it with stimulating activities. Calm it with meditation. Your mind is powerful. Keep it healthy. Finally, nurture your spirit. Connect with what brings you joy. Spend time in nature. Practice gratitude. Follow your passions. Your spirit is your essence. Honor it. Self-care is a holistic practice. It touches every part of our lives. It is an act of love for ourselves, for those we care about. Make it a priority. You are worth it. Section 7. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is transformative. It changes our outlook. It changes our reality. Louise Hay believed in this deeply. She taught that our thoughts shape our world. Positive thinking creates a positive life. Start with your thoughts. Be mindful of them. Notice when they turn negative. Gently shift them. Replace them with positive ones. This takes practice, but it is powerful. Next, speak positively. Words have power. They shape our reality. Speak kindly to yourself and others. Use affirmations. Use encouraging language. This creates a positive environment. Finally, act positively. Let your actions reflect your positive thoughts and words. Be kind, be generous, be hopeful. Positive actions reinforce positive thoughts. They create a cycle of goodness. Positive thinking transforms our lives. It brings joy. It brings peace. It brings success. Embrace it. Practice it every day. Watch your life change.